Want to make your eBay listing look more professional? With Eselt, you can create your own responsive eBay template and use it for both new and existing products. At the beginning, you have two options. You can create a new product by clicking Create New Product, or you can import your existing products from eBay. If you create a new product, you start with a completely empty product and prepare all content and settings from scratch. If your products are already active on eBay, you can import them into Eselt first. In that case, images and many product details are already available, so you can simply add a professional template to your existing listing. Now open one of your products. At the top of the product page, you'll find the Template section. Here, you can select the template you want to use. Click Settings to open the Template settings. In the template settings, you can decide which sections should be displayed, for example, the header, menu, or footer. You can also upload your logo, enter your shop name, and add a slogan. Your eBay username is important as well. Once you enter it, Eselt can correctly use the matching contact links and menu links in your template. In the other tabs, you can customize the design of your template. You can change the colors, layout, and fonts. In the text section, you can add general information about payment, shipping, returns, and other details. These texts will appear in all listings that use this template. Once your template is ready, go back to the product page. There you can prepare the title and description. If needed, you can also use the AI function to create suitable texts for your product. For better results, upload product images first, so the AI can better recognize the item. If you only need the HTML code for your eBay listing, click Generate HTML Code. Eselt will create the finished code for your template. You can copy it and paste it directly into the description of your eBay listing. This way, you can quickly create a professional, responsive eBay template with Eselt that looks good on desktop and mobile devices and makes your listings look more consistent and high quality.